নিউজ নাও, খবরের নতুন ভাষা।
Tripura hasteo Laibuma Bubagra Amar Manikyani jora kaisa oroi poroi bai gwdaljak Afghan ni fan shalka amjayo khafer laimate Arakan hasteo choprapani bisingte bini jora laikha choba te inukhungni borokrokni bisingo obrum jabrum ajorawo abo Tripura hasteni Laibuma shibiya shalka hakotorobo obani samplik laikha kokti shalo pandani bisingte Amar Manikyani mangthong phiyogwi rijakha Amorpurni chakrakmawo Gumoti hangkodi chakrakma matayo kokti shalo Bubagra Amar Manikyani mangthong phiyogwi rikha Bubagra Produt Bikram Manikyo Deborma o shalni pandawo Montri Susanto Choudhury no bolaikha Bubagra Produt Bikram Manikyo Deborma Tripurani Laibuma tai hukumu mukumuno buskango toniwoi beraikhiri thai teibo snamoi tisanani bagai kotor wansukjak tongo hinibo shakha o shalo.
To make this political, I think more and more information is coming out under the tourism minister Susanto Choudhury. A lot of infrastructure has been made, and just because we are fighting an election in the next few weeks, I don't want to criticize the tourism minister for the sake of criticism. He has done a lot of good work. If you see it in Matabari, if you see it even here, infrastructure development is coming up. I was recently in Jampui. I saw the Eden Guest House. Very well done. So I believe that good work is being done. It was a propaganda by the communists for many years not to highlight the work of our ancestors in our past. But efforts have been made, and I think more effort will be made. And I think if we are also included in some of the decision making, we'll be happy. But overall, I think information is flowing out, and I think what it needs is us to coordinate properly. But nevertheless, let me say that under Susanto Choudhury, tourism department has done very well despite financial crunch, and what you need is young people, young ministers who have different ideas to become part and be given a free hand so that they can develop Tripura. Tripura has huge potential in tourism, especially religious, cultural tourism, and if we can use that to our advantage, it will benefit the poor people, the common people, not only in Agartala but in the villages and in rural parts of Tripura as well. Thank you.
Tripura hasteni Laibuma Amar Manikyani jora kaisa moito khlaijaknai jora bisi chuku romoi Tripura hasteni Bubagra maichango achugui hano naikolka phia o bisi chukuni bisingo kaisani ulo kaisa choba te thongrukni khyobo makalaikha Bubagra Amar Manikyo bini Bubagra chamani jorawono salkaha kotorote banglahani thongrungo kotor slaijakmung Banglahani Laibuma a jorawo tongkjang krui Shershah Suri 1539 BC Mughal Samrat Humayun no Mechinei Delhi Bugra Maichang Segei Nama Ulo Banglahawo Jorakologromoi Afghan ni fan tongkha Bisi Thamchisni Hairomoi Afghan rok Hanaikolkha Akborni Mughal Bodol 1576 BC Bangla no Haino Hai Sekpika a jorawo Shalka Bangla Amchayo Afghan ni fan krak tongmani tei Chattogram Sylhet Khondal Tripura Assam tei Arakan amchai gnangei tungpla khamla tongmani Bubagra Amar Manikyo a jorawo Afghan rok tei jomidar rok bai waire waino ma bataikha kaisa chobawo torop poragonni jomidar no chubanai senapati Fateh Khan no mechenkha Bubagra Amar Manikyo keplai wngmani ulo mungsa yagul suyawino koklamni bisingtei swkangei faika Fateh Khan no tei thinango jomidar rok no chubaya tongnani sawi yakari rijakha o keplai wngmano mukumu mari torinani bagai Bubagra Amar Manikyo dalsa belep eba coins namka haifano Arakan ni fan krak Bubagra min falawung tei bini mok sengkrak rok bai chobawo keplai inglia Bubagra Amar Manikyo Chattogram seknani bagai waire wai Tripura no choprokha Arakan ni Bubagra puilawo kusu chobawo chenma ulo raidargei tongkjang saklaijakha Kha kaham yafanani bagai khoroksani bisingtei chung holong thepajak mayung buani kaisa motok eba Bugra hongkhok rohorjakha Tripurawo tei logiwo kaisa tongkjangni kok khamani silai rohorjakha o Bugra hongkhok no tei ktal khlai kok bangmung nukjak fika Bubagra nukhungo yagulo o chung holong thepajak mayung buani Bugra hongkhok no sabo hungnai abono tei Bubagra ni bwsarokni bisingo kok banglaikha o shepno phunangei Arakan ni fainai Tripura haste ni nangkukmani kok thumui naharka aboni yagulo no chobawo Arakan ni Bubagra keplai wngkha tei Tripura ni Bubagra chenkha Tripura hasteni Laibuma ni opati bungno Sikrang Rabindranath Thakur bini mukut thongnugo seikya tei Bubagra Amar Manikyo no kathang khlai tonikha Bubagra Amar Manikyo a jorao Omorpur amchayo gbangma matai khorte nuyungma bo snamka aborok tabuk hamliya phano arono bachajak tongo phia arakan bai choba khlaithani sakni busa te hani bugra maichang kmajakmani ulo belai khabai kha Bubagra Amar Manikyani Udaipuriya kare 1586 BC wo rajdor amchayo bithi chawi langma sa chulangkha hinei Laibuma wo khurchajak mano Thina sakang bini busla rajdor no haya pharka monutimani kochok jagarung sakawo yagulo koila shahar bukhasteni ratsera mungui sinijakha o amchai ni Tripuri jamatia bosongni borokrokni khukni kogrgei arakan Bubagra bai jobawo kaplai angnani bagai gumoti tuimani rukungo chakrakma matayo khulumna phaimani Bubagra Amar Manikya hinei tabuk sakjora sajagui tongo Bureau Report News Now